Hello everyone, my name is Nayan and today I am going to demonstrate my Arduino project which is based on LED patterns. Here you can see the shield. The software and hardware that I used are Fritzing for drawing the breadboard view, Arduino IDE software for writing the code, and this is Arduino Revision 1 board. So here you can see the shield. It consists of 3 loops. This is outer loop. This is inner loop of green LEDs. This is the inner loop of red LEDs and one LED at the center. The LEDs of the outer loop are individually connected from pin number 0 to pin number 7 of the Arduino. This inner loop of green LEDs are commonly connected to pin number 8. This red LED's loop is connected to pin number 9 and the LED at the center is connected to pin number 10 through resistor. Let's see the breadboard view. Here you can see these upper LEDs are individually connected through resistors from pin number 0 to pin number 7. So these upper LEDs form the outer loop. Now similarly, these lower LEDs are commonly connected through resistor R to pin number 8, forming this green LED's loop. Similarly, I have made the connections for this inner red LED's loop. Let's see it's working. This is the code. It includes 4 parts: the comment, initialization, setup, and loop. The comment tells about the project, then the author name, and then the function of each instruction. So you can see there are single line comments, multiple line comments, then initialization. It is used to declare it is used for global variable declaration. And then setup. Setup is used at the beginning of the sketch, and it is used to initialize the variables and pin configurations. And then loop, as it tells, it allows the program to change and respond. So it is used to actively control the Arduino board. Now I have declared 3 variables. One is a timer, which is set at 500 millisecond. Then LED pins from 0 to 10. So the total number of LEDs, that is pin count, is of 11. Now void setup. Here I declared each pin as an output, and for this I used for loop so that the number of lines of the program may get reduced. And then this is the loop. The first loop is used for glowing the LED from the lowest order to the highest order. So I use this for loop. Initially the variable this pin is set at 0. Now it will check whether this pin is less than the pin count, that is 11. If yes, it will glow the LED. After glowing the LED, after 500 millisecond, it will turn off the LED. Similar pattern will follow for all the LEDs till the pin count goes to 10. Once pin count goes to 10, after that the loop will be failed, and it will come out of the loop. Now this is the second loop. I use this loop for glowing the LED from highest order to lowest order. So this pin is set at the 10, and it will check whether the 10 is greater than equal to 0. If yes, it will glow the 11th pin, and after 500 millisecond it will make it turn off. So this is about the code, and thank you.